Finally, the Omega Key is within my... What? Did you really think it would be that easy? Come down here, Zeta Prime, and I will give you the answer. I shall remain where I am. This vantage point will provide an excellent view of your destruction.
Can't be that bad.
My will controls this entire chamber, Megatron. I need only close my hand to crush the light out of you.
The floor is glowing. It's everywhere.
Yeah, just stay off the float. I can't move as quick as shit. It works!
It's glowing.
See anything to hit? No. What is it?
Ha! Your weapons are useless against me! Do you see now, Megatron?
Yeah.
This is my domain! Your theatrics don't frighten me, Zeta. Here I have the power to control and create.
Fuck.
Took no one's eyes. You can be such a nerd, Soundwave.
Be careful, the floor is also glowing.
Is that all, Zeta? A pathetic army of Energon clones? Is that the best you can do? You have no idea! Here, I have limitless power!
Megatron, we may be able to damage Zeta's machinery during its recharge cycle.
A valiant attempt, Decepticons, but Autobot machinery is more resilient than you realize. Stay off the glowing floors if you wish to live.
Oh shit!
Go, 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 go.
I didn't see the floor glowing. I must have got hit by like a tail end of it.
That's alright. I think we made progress.
A valiant attempt, Decepticons.
Yeah.
But Autobot machinery is more resilient than you realize.
That's not bad.
Starts this over here. So
Stay off the glowing floors if you wish to live.
Gotta go inside.
I am.
Towards him. I recommend. Oh shit. Fuck out.
If you try to jump on him, he'll push you away. Don't do that.
I'm trying to experience every way I can die.
I think I found all of them.
A valiant attempt, Decepticons. But Autobot machinery is more resilient than you realize.
No, it's a good attempt. Geez.
Stay off the glowing floors if you wish
I'll
to
avoid this
live.
shit by stepping on him. I get it.
It's even smaller, the area.
Oh fuck. I suggest you get in a car. Get the fuck out of here. No, I don't know how I made that work.
I can't move as fast as you. Okay.
I can easily create more Energon clones. You will be destroyed.
help
machine
over
is
here.
failing, Zeta Prime.
I'm okay.
Where are your boasts now? The battle is far from over. For destruction! In this chamber,
Oh, shh.
my will reign supreme!
I'm dead.
Fuck. Nuts.
Megatron, we must find a way.
Oh, fuck. The lich. I got
Endless duplicates of Zeta Prime. How nauseating.
I'm almost dead. I'm fine.
He's recharging! Fire at the core!
Zeta Prime's shield has proven impenetrable.
System failing! This cannot be!
Oh, fuck me. Fuck me. Oh my god.
Finish it! The Omega Key
thing.
is mine!
That was
The core of
medium
Cybertron is mine! Your spies were misinformed, Megatron. That device only activates the key to the core. But don't worry, the Omega Key will come to you. Omega, activated. Power, optimal. Mission, destroy Megatron.
Yeah.